Video 4, Dublin Regulation. Italy and other European countries have signed the Dublin Regulation. The Dublin Regulation is a document that obliges each state to respect certain rules regarding asylum. It aims to define which European state is responsible for your asylum application. Only one European state can be responsible, and it is the state in which you ask for asylum for the first time, or where the police identify you if you enter a country irregularly. This means that if you arrive in Italy by sea, land, or plane, the police take your digital fingerprints when you are at the questura. Your digital fingerprints, your name, and your surname are all saved on the European system EURODAC. EURODAC is a computer database with details of all the asylum seekers that arrive in Europe. This means that the police of all European states can see your fingerprints and know from which country you have come from. If the police take your digital fingerprints in Italy, and then you leave Italy and claim asylum in another country in Europe, for example, in Austria, the Austrian police check your fingerprints on EURODAC. The Austrian police check who you are and can see that you have already claimed asylum in Italy. In this case, the Austrian police issue you a written statement that says that you must go back to Italy. You have the right to appeal against this decision, and for this you need the help of a lawyer. You can wait a long time before they transfer you back to Italy. During this waiting time, you stay in a centre for asylum seekers. For more information, listen to audio recording 4, the Dublin Transfer Procedure. The Dublin Convention gives you the right to family reunification in 3 cases. 1. If you are a minore, tell the police if your father, or your mother, or your brother, or another member of your family live in another European state. If this family member has a residence permit and is able to host you, the police can organise your transfer. 2. If you are an adult, tell the police if your father, or your mother, or your brother, or your child live in another European state with a valid residence permit. In this case, it may be possible to join your family if you are pregnant, you are alone with your child, you have a serious illness, you have a serious disability, you are elderly, or in the case in which your family are unwell and they need your help. 3. If a family member is a refugee or an asylum seeker in another European state, tell the police. Also in this case, it may be possible to join your family and ask for asylum in that country.